Thanks for checking out this video. For fun, we're going to be doing some various target ID testing with the Minelab Vanquish 540 metal detector. We're going to start out with some American and Canadian Clad. I've got it set to coin mode. Sensitivity all the way up -3 with all metal on. I'm going to start out first with the Canadian $2 coin. Flat on its edge. A lot of this Canadian Clad has a steel core. Here's the $1 coin, the loonie, flat on its edge. The Canadian quarter, flat on its edge. Canadian nickel, flat on its edge. Canadian dime, flat on its edge. Canadian penny, flat on its edge. American quarter, Clad, flat on its edge. American dime, flat on its edge. Lincoln penny, flat on its edge. One of the newer shield pennies. American flat on its edge. Now we're going to test some silver. Canadian silver dime, flat on its edge. Canadian silver quarter, flat on its edge. American Franklin half, silver $1/2, flat on its edge. American Mercury dime, flat on its edge. Here's a Canadian 50-cent piece, silver, flat on its edge. Here's a silver Canadian maple leaf, flat on its edge. Here's a Canadian silver dollar, 1939, flat on its edge. Here's an American Morgan dollar, flat on its edge. Here's a 1 ounce AVDP copper Indian buffalo, flat on its edge. There's an American Ike dollar, flat on its edge. Here's a gold-plated Ike, flat on its edge. There's a novelty Bitcoin, flat on its edge. Now for gold. I have a Canadian half-gram gold coin. Very, very tiny. Flat. On its edge. $1 gram gold bar from the Perth Mint, Australia. Flat. On its edge. There's a gold ring. Yellow gold 18K. I'm not going to show the rest of it. Flat. See that tone right there? A lot of people would think that's junk, possibly. Not dig it. That's where jewelry hangs out. It's in that realm. Here's a white gold diamond ring. I'm not going to show the whole thing. Flat. On its edge. Here's a chunky silver ring. All kinds of lettering and writing on it, like Lord of the Rings. Flat. On its edge. Here's another thinner silver ring I found that was flattened out, and I reshaped it back into a circle. Flat. On its edge. There's another silver ring. All these rings have been tarnished in the salt water. This one has pyrite stones. Here's a flattened out silver ring I found from rocks. Flat. On its edge. Here's a silver pendant I found. It's 9 grams of sterling. Flat. On its edge. Just for fun, a cremation tag. You might find these if you beach hunt. Now, just because it has that low tone doesn't mean don't dig them, because jewelry hangs out there. No key to a building or a hotel. Flat. On its edge. Flat little chunk, square chunk of copper. Flat. On its edge. Shell casing to a bullet. It's flat, sideways, laying down. And then the primer facing the coil. Piece of copper I found. Rusted nail. Beach aluminum. A ball of aluminum foil. Last but not least, the dreaded pull tab. What would metal detecting be like without it? It's flat on its edge. Now, keep in mind with pull tabs, a lot of the times they're going to come in as well as the 14 signal. But so will jewelry too. So that's why you want to investigate, dig as many of those targets as you can, especially if there's a good two-way repeatable signal. It never hurts to check something out. I don't know how many times I thought I had junk, and I would get it out of the ground and it would be something really, really nice. One time I even had an aluminum can I dug up. Once the hole was cleared out of the can, I swiped my coil over the hole again, and it started alerting into the high tones for silver, and there was a Canadian 1950s date range silver half dollar down in there. So you never know what could be near junk as well. So it never hurts, just to check that hole again. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it informative. And please check out the other ones as well. Have a good one. Until the next time.